politics is not a career. Now what I can advise my fellow youth, that the future of the world remains in innovation and technology. No way field and either you're a teacher, you're a doctor, you're an engineer. The future of the world rotates around innovation and technology. You really must be creative on how you attack life. Number two, you cannot complain forever. That my parents budget ko kora ikabana ba yuri ba nyalebe. You now must get out. And of course,
but then that moral support from parents na rongo chere neta keire go singo konyere
ko iworo muntu gito tebete timaiti go sene quote na once we get miaka 20 you don't complain about the background, you are the background. Yani ko igre miaka meronge bere
now you become the background.
Na go te ne kero 1 hour yani kero 1 second old ko iboiru insta yari ya kongire. Either you are an orphan, the world does not care. Inse triko korora mabira no maete. Bible ba
na mora na tatu minati ke tu ntakana no
bono. Inja ko liko 1 minute old eko minyoki properly. So inse te buga te mabira to anyone. That calls for innovation. Number two, we must find a way of adapting technology. That there is no shortcut about that. Actually, even now, look at how young people advertise their businesses online. At the physical shop, about the stock give to meronge very nyumba. But you advertise in a day, with that in mind, all we need to do now, we're coming up with the courtesy of the East Africa Youth Assembly. Now I request the Tonyo funds in Kego. We're coming up with what they call Gusii Innovation Center. It's an hub Yoko incubates ideas from young people, because I can tell you, young people out here are very creative. Young people are very creative. You saw the latest case, Omonto Obekira Safaricom case. That the idea ya M-Pesa super app. Do you know how much the guy was asking from Safaricom? $1 billion.
1 billion.
1 billion shillings. On an innovation, I can't take by the way. I can. We have our local banks, we have our local business partners who you can reach out to. By the way, Nimbuate app. Like in 2019, sometime around 2019, actually COVID timing, I came up with an idea in Uber in Kisii. If you heard of Dango Cabs, that was our idea. We didn't have proper structures then. We were but then it is an idea naroche. We were able to have COVID market. What if young people came up with ideas chinga we now have restaurant to what chinyinge restaurant chine. What if young people want an application whereby Itali Glovo, Italy and then locally from the local restaurants. Abantu mane gatoralike muntu akolete ndagera akanwe commission. Yani onye kwa rusi ndagera koru teligete bakaga
sigete
ndagera yao ni 180 ayao ni oye 20 on chindagera 10 na day. You make 200 shillings. Oyo manyene app I maybe singi komi pa ndagera account. So place reward. Oyo manyene hoteli nera no musaige te go ochageta ka restaurant ke te go kon chips fast food nera nyore. You know, we could have created opportunities for Abanta. All we asking now, the government, both levels of government, both the county government and the national government. We have 2 counties. We see Chibuate capacity, Chibuate Chikonya funding every financial year. Nabutogo I know we can. Nabutogo Koro Siaga incubation setup whereby young people can come in. Wanyore opportunities, but discuss in other peers across the world. Wanyore, we have what we call financing. Nabakonyora. Umonto very interested in your idea called Savannah Silicon in the US. I want to invest in that idea to roll out across the country. You can get out something. So in a span of some 5-10 years from today, we can no longer be young people forever. You know.
But so, what is the biggest